Okay, we got Michael and his, what year is this?
2001.
2001 Mazda Protegé on coilovers. Stock wheels for now. And we are doing his rear end links and front end links. She's sitting pretty though, man. That's your baby.
My summer baby.
Yeah. That's what we gotta do, because there's no low profile jack. Back her up, Terry. A little more. Okay, good. Now you're back at stock height.
Kind of.
It'll fit, man, it'll fit. You just gotta play with it. She's in. Let's see if it fits.
I think when we lift it up, that thing goes up.
Yeah. Boom, boom, bow. We'll have to do the same thing and pull it down. Oh. Okay, there we go. What do you have to say to your subscribers?
What?
Do you have any advice for them too? Their proteges? Easy install, right?
Oh yeah.
So we got the Megan Racing coilovers. Time for the fronts, Michael.
Oh yeah. We didn't take that long, eh?
No, probably like 10-15 minutes each side. Less. You gotta take this to CSCS next summer, man.
Yeah, next year. Next summer.
Our cars have evolved.
Oh yeah.
I got coilovers, my exhaust, my intake. Boom. Battery died, so we're gonna go old school. Let's see if Michael got what it takes. You feeling strong? Okay, brother. I believe in you. Let's do this. I hope you ate your cereal this morning for some energy. Your Wheaties.
Bacon, man.
Bacon? Yeah. Good enough. Okay. Oh.
This way to tighten, this way.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. There we go. Look at that, you didn't even need your impact. You're better than the impact.
Yeah, man, I'm stronger.
Yes. Here's the quote, man. Fuck, what is it? One machine could do the work of 1,000 men, but one man, or no machine can do a work of a unique man. Oh, right here. Boom, boom, like that.
Yeah.
How much were your end links? Mine were 70 bucks.
Really?
Yeah, 35 each. For the rear.
Yeah, same here for me.
Yeah.
But with tax and everything, it's $100.
Jeez. Well, for all four, right?
Yeah. For one side, I first bought one side.
I might have to get a little fancy with this one. We are struggling with this one. We need more muscle. There we go. Some leverage. after 30 minutes, maybe more, the front end link is finally in. Jeez. Okay, we found an easier method rather than try to pull down on the sway bar and all that shit. We jacked it up. So now, easy. Last but not least, the grease nipples, we forgot.
There we go. That's all done.
It's all done.
All done.
Mazda Protegé 2000 what?
2001.
2001.
Complete.
Front links, rear end links install. Hope you enjoyed and learned something. What do you have to say to your fans?
Hope you learned something.
Easy job?
Not easy, but
Bring a buddy.
feel better. Exactly. What do you want now?
Future plans for your motor.
Oh yeah. Toad coming up.
eBay?
A friend of mine has a setup.
So maybe next summer or what?
Yeah.
You're gonna do it here in the driveway?
I'll do it at my friend's garage. I need to put new ones here.
New mounts?
Mouse.
Alright. Stay
Alrighty.
tuned.